This week on Tech Tip Tuesday, Jason and I are going to go over the importance of keeping your stream clean of debris and leaves.
You're coming into the fall season. We're here in New York. You get it in the Northeast. A lot of these trees are going to drop leaves. And what can happen is these leaves can fall in the stream. They can dam up the stream. And in order for that water to get over it, the water level in the stream has got to raise. And you could possibly have problems with water loss issues if you dam up the stream. So like here, we've got a lot of leaves in the stream. These leaves right now aren't damming this up. But as you can see here, this water is forced around these leaves. So if this was a smaller stream, and this was happening, that water could possibly be forced out the sides. So it's important this time of year you keep leaves and debris on your stream.
So Jason was just talking about, the leaves can cause a dam up, which then diverts the water in a direction that we necessarily don't want, which is what's happening right here. This is why it's very important to keep your streams clear of debris and leaves all through the fall season and the year. We're going to go ahead and show you some of the easier ways to get them cleared out for the year. So one of the easiest ways to get the leaves and debris out of your stream during a closing, or if you just want it done throughout the year, is to shut down your stream and let that water drain out. We then can go ahead, go through, and pick up the leaves and or use our leaf blower to blow them out.
So we've got the stream shut down right now. We turn the pumps off. Kyle's going to go ahead and blow these leaves out of the stream. Kyle's got all the leaves and debris blowed onto the stream. We can go ahead and start this back up.
Another way we like to get rid of leaves and debris in your stream and water feature is to hand pick it. Good old-fashioned hand picking, you know? You just can't get it clean enough sometimes. Perfect. Now that we got this stream all cleaned up and cleaned out of debris and leaves, we went ahead, started to back up. Now everything's running properly and no damage.
We hope this video helped you out. Tune in every week for another Tech Tip Tuesday. And don't forget to check us out on all our social media pages. Give us a thumbs up, like, comment if you have any questions or concerns about anything. And let us know if there's anything else you'd like to see us do videos on. And as always,
enjoy your families.